Hey, this is Josh with West Michigan Property Solutions, Ludington's premier home buyer. So I just want to take a second and say, hey, let's be honest. No one's exempt from hard times. The truth is, sometimes people go through foreclosure. Sometimes people go through divorce. Sometimes people inherit houses that they just can't afford to maintain. I mean, sometimes people even have vacant houses that they can't afford the repairs on, so they can't sell it. If you're going through this or anything else property related, we want to be your solution. In fact, our number one focus is to be the number one solution for property problems for local residents. So if you do need our help, we'd love to give it to you. And to get that help, you just have to do one thing. Just fill out the form. It's really easy. It's either going to be right here or up here, depending if you're on the phone or not. Fill out the form, we'll contact you, we'll listen to your issue, and we'll provide some solutions. And we'll solve your problem, because that's what we do. So just fill out the form, or maybe it's over here. And we'll talk to you soon.